Welcome to STEM Time with Joshua. Today we will be making a 2-speed fan using snap circuits. All you will need is your battery pack with batteries, 6 2-long snap wires, 2 1-long snap wires, the slide switch, press switch, lamp socket, and fan motor with fan. So in order to make this circuit, what we're going to want to do is place the fan motor right here, connecting it to the battery with the slide switch, making sure it's off. And then we're going to place our press switch right here, and right next to it we're going to get our 2 1-long snap wires and put them under the lamp socket, and you'll see why just in a second. We're going to place that right next to our press switch, and using all 6 of our 2-long snap wires, we're going to connect everything. So first we're going to place one right here, and right here, right here, right here, and then finally the last 2. And after all of that, we're going to place our fan. So when you close the slide switch, current flows from the batteries through the slide switch, through the motor, the lamp, and back to the batteries. When the press switch is closed, the lamp is shorted and the motor speed is increased. This 2-long snap wire right here acts as a fuse. If we remove it, everything will stop and still be okay. Until this fuse is replaced, the open circuit path protects the electronic parts. So that's it for today. Until next time.